This is the plan for the Gen 8 kayak. In the past, I simply cut off the excess coroplast. Now I will use the coroplast by folding it. This doubled the thickness of part of the walls of the kayak. The folding will also create a very smooth edge at the gunnel. At first, I thought I need to create a fixture to bend the coroplast sheet, especially if the gunnel or the edge of the boat is long. By experiment, I found out if I apply the right amount of heat and then I bend or fold the sheet, I still have time to adjust the bend edge before the heated coroplast cooled down. I use wood strips to confine the heat to the target area which I want to bend. I heat the sheet so that the top surface is about to melt. I use a 6mm thick coroplast, and I usually have to run the heat gun back and forth over the heated surface for about 40 to 50 times. I wear gloves so I can smooth the edge with my hand. You don't want to press too hard so as not to collapse the bent edge before the coroplast cools down. You may want to glue part of the bended coroplast to the side wall of the boat. This is how I create a curved line on the coroplast. This is the first time testing out the folding of the boat. From the beginning, tracing out the plan onto the coroplast to this point, it took about 4.5 hours. In between, there are times taken to readjust the design and also setting up the camera, taping the process. I will go into details in making this hull binding scheme in part 4. If you find this video interesting, please subscribe. Please give me feedback. Thanks for watching.